Paano ba iniibsan ang matinding init ng panahon? Sa Valenzuela City, may libreng pa-shower si Mayor. The LGU has deployed 2 mobile shower and toilet trucks that roam around the city. Residents say this is a big help for them amid the extreme heat and water interruptions. According to Mayor Wes Gatchalian, the mobile showers also aim to prevent the spread of diseases. Oh, nakita mo yung mga residents talaga, sobrang nag-enjoy sila, sobrang alam mong, ang tawag doon yung, ano yung tawag doon na freshan sila sa pakiramdam.
Ayan. Sa shower in your clothes. Actually, yung concept nito first came out nung panahon ng mga calamity. I think, nakita ko yan nung sa Taal.
Yes, I remember
Taal,
that.
pero hindi ganito kaganda. This one is a nice one eh. Yung sa kanila, parang truck lang talaga na may partition. Tapos may shower sa taas. Ito may ano pa sila eh.
Oo.
May tawag doon?
Water pick. Water pick.
Oo, may water pick
Ang
pa sila.
tanong dyan, may dala ba silang sarili nilang sabon at shampoo? Or is it also provided for them?
I think the main goal of this is not the actual shower, but
Para lang kasi wala din naman silang...
pampalamig lang talaga. To douse themselves with water, parang bumaba naman yung temperature.
Yeah, I also read about it. Sabi ko kasi baka naman sayang yung tubig. 'Di ba? Nagsha-shower, yung pala sinasahod yung tubig niya tapos siya. Ang tawag doon, yung i-recycle, parang ginagawa ng ibang mga malls ngayon. Mare-recycle yung water. Bakit ka gumagano?
Hindi, may bisita tayo sa studio. We are blessed with the presence of a beautiful little bird flying around.
Yung bird mo ba yan nakalabas? Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, yung alaga. Sira ka talaga. Ikaw yung dyan eh. Well, anyway, so I'm so happy para sa Valenzuela dahil
maganda,
yung mga residente natin.
And high class yung itsura ng truck.
Oo, kasi hindi lahat nakaka-afford ng kanilang air conditioning unit.
Meron bang di ba ito mobile shower, may mobile aircon ba na sana may truck na umiikot na may upuan tapos may air condition, magpalamig lang sa loob ng truck sandali.
Punta muna sa mga barangay.
Hindi, sa barangay meron hall, di ba sana may mobile cooling system with free Netflix.